All right, tell me it's free.
Yes, it is free.
That's what I like. Free is good.
How many in the car?
Three and a dog.
Okay, you need a treat for that dog?
Huh?
You need a little cookie for the dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, medium, large?
Large.
Have you been
Oh,
to the
man.
Pet Beach before?
Yeah, once. He loves the water.
Yeah, are you taking my picture?
Huh?
Are you taking my picture?
I'm taking a video.
Oh.
For
Okay.
YouTube. We're going to show it on there at State Park.
Because we never get anything for free.
CarlTwitter@youtube.com.
Enjoy yourselves.
No, but I got to put some What? You don't want the bone?
Yeah, want the bone. You want to take it out of my mouth.
Wait, I want some. Okay, break it off. I'm going to put some sunscreen on Jason. Now you can have it.
Go get Gabriel. Go get him. Chipper, come on. Ah.
I got you some shells.